What's the difference between a philosophy and an ideology? The two terms tend to overlap quite considerably in sort of casual use, but they actually point to quite different sort of kinds of thinking. So a philosophy is a way of thinking, a personal framework for understanding life, knowledge, values, or reality. And it's often quite reflective, questioning, and open-ended, essentially. A person's philosophy is something that they can revise, refine, or expand over time. So an example of this might be something like someone could say, my philosophy is that people are happiest when they create more than they consume. So that's essentially like a guiding outlook rather than a rigid system. Whereas an ideology is a system of beliefs, which is often more fixed, prescriptive, and collective. So ideologies usually carry a political or social or even like a cultural agenda. And it sets out principles for how society should be organized. So ideologies are much more rigid and can act as filters through which people interpret everything. So examples of ideology are like Marxism, libertarianism, or nationalism. These are all ideologies because they prescribe comprehensive political and social arrangements. So the key distinction between the two is that philosophy is inquiry driven. So that's essentially asking what's true, what matters, what's real, and so on. Whereas ideology is doctrine driven. So instead of asking, it's asserting, it's saying this is the truth. This is how things should be. So, in short, a person's philosophy is personal, exploratory, and dynamic, whereas ideology is collective, prescriptive, and often rigid.